Good day, everyone. Learn how to increase the Wi-Fi speed on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, whether it's a desktop or a laptop, it will work. The process will remain same. It is very easy to do so, and make sure you watch the whole tutorial and you will be able to do it yourself. So here in the start icon, do a right click first and then go to run and type ncpa.cpl. I'll maximize it so that you can type it ncpa.cpl. Once you have typed it, click on OK. You will see a window like this, and here, whether you're using Wi-Fi or Ethernet, you can do at least one step. If you're doing Ethernet, if you're using Ethernet, you can do this step, and the rest of the steps will be specially focused on Wi-Fi speed. But the first step will work for Wi-Fi and Ethernet both. So here I'm using Wi-Fi, so I'll just do a right click on that, and I'll go to Properties. And a new window will appear like this. Now we need to select the Internet version, protocol version 4. We will select that and we will go to Properties. And from here, you can simply select the Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. So the Cloudflare DNS will be 1.1.1.1. And you can also use the alternate DNS server. You can check it on Google. It is very easy. You can try that. But the best is you can try Google, see how exactly it is. For most of us, this works better than internet service provider. Now the next step is only for Wi-Fi users, because we are trying to increase the Wi-Fi speed. And I'll tell you why all the steps are being taken. So first, I'll select the Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IP, and then we need to click on Configure, and we'll like to proceed. And a window will appear like this: General, Advanced, Driver, Details, and Events. So we will go to Advanced tab, and here you will find many options. And here, make sure dual band is selected. Look for channel width. Channel width for 2.4 gigahertz, select Auto. Channel width for 5 gigahertz, select Auto. And then we will select the preferred band. And here, preferred band should be 5 gigahertz band. You can select that and then move to the next step, which is roaming aggressiveness. You can keep it medium because you do not need the medium or medium high. Just keep it medium and it will be better. All right. So once you're done with this, you just need to click on OK. And you need to restart the computer. Right. Now, once you click on that, it will be disabled for a while, and then it will turn back on. And you might have to connect to your Wi-Fi. Currently, it is connecting and it is automatically connected now. But if we have unchecked that automatically connection, then you need to connect to your Wi-Fi again. You can also turn off the router and turn it on. This will make the changes effect, and then try to browse your browser. Open your browser and see the difference. How's the performance? How's the browsing speed? And you will definitely see a change. Do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is helpful or not. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.